What's up, y'all? This is North American Ventures. I'm Jordan. This is
Eric.
And today we are back in Sedona. This is actually later in the day after one of our other hikes. And today, never mind. We're on the Boynton Canyon Trail to Gordon's Ridge. It's very beautiful out right now, mid-60s. This trail is much quieter than some of the other trails in the area, although we'll see about that as we get towards the end. The trail is 4.4 miles long. It's 486 feet in elevation gain. Let's get to it. We're taking a little water break. We've covered the 486 feet pretty rapidly here, and now we are in the thick of the canyon. We don't have too much further to go, just 0.25. Let's keep going. Nice. Shelter. Okie dokie, y'all. We're moving downhill, heading back towards the Honda and the parking. The canyon was beautiful. It's getting a bit chilly now. It's gonna go down to the 40s, maybe 50s. I doubt it tonight. With the wind, it'll be cold, especially for camping. This area was beautiful. We saw caves and tunnels and managed to ridge walk for a little bit on that Gordon Ridge. See you soon. Honda! We just completed Gordon's Ridge via Boynton Canyon Trail, 4.4 miles, just around 486 feet in elevation gain. It was a very beautiful trail. The beginning part is a little iffy as you do pass by a Red Rock Resort area, but then once you clear that, it really opens up and you start to get beautiful views of the canyon. We saw the subway tunnel as well as some other caves at height, which is really nice. The only thing I would recommend is you're going to be contending with parking wherever you are in Sedona, particularly for the most popular hikes. We got lucky on our first hike, but our second hike we had to park a little ways down the road where all the other cars were parked. So a little bit of luck, like I said, is involved to be able to get on these hikes, but once you're there, they're very beautiful. We're gonna head back to the campsite. If y'all like the content, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, but down below. And we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!